Okay, here we have notes for 8-I, probability of independent events. So first off, an independent event. So an independent event is when the outcome of one event does keyword here, does not affect the outcome of the other event. So in more words or less, independent events are two events that have no effect on each other. They're two events where if I do one event first, whatever happens in that first event has no effect on what's going to happen in the second event. So an example of that could be something like flipping a coin and rolling a die. Because no matter what happens when I flip that coin, it has no effect whether I get heads or tails. That has no effect on what happens when I roll the dice. Another example could also be rolling 2 dice. Because even if I'm rolling, the same dice twice, whatever happens the first time I roll that dice has no effect on rolling the dice again. Just because I roll a 1 the first time doesn't mean that I can't roll a 1 again the next time. So those events are independent. They have no effect on each other. And the probability of two independent events can be found by, keyword here, multiplying. By multiplying the probabilities of each event together. So that's what's going on in this sentence down here that I just highlighted in blue. That is red. Remember that P parentheses, that's pronounced probability of. So that says the probability of event A and event B is equal to the probability of event A times the probability of event B. So now the key word here is this and piece. And now before, in our other notes, when we saw the word or, that meant that we used addition. Well, now, when we see the word and, that means we're going to be using multiplication.